Share this video. This video is for Southeast governors. Ndị agara Enugu State mbọchị agaba nọ si na ha bandụrụ ndị IPOB and the rest of the Biafra agitation. I'm too well na the only thing that binds these Southeast governors together, YPOB. These people are not together. The only thing that binds them together is whenever they want to come together and they talk against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and they condemn their own brothers. That is the only thing that binds them together. But I want them to see this video and receive small sense. Unu frotune nation na Enugu State na condemn unu before ndem bozo. Na enyu unu topic before ndem bozo. As an Igbos are not together, Igbos are not united. All here unu in Enugu State. You want the Federal Republic of the Zoo called Nigeria, the president, the bold enough, say that an attack against Boko Haram is an attack against the North. Up till now, they don't believe that Fulani herdsmen are terrorist organization. The same Fulani herdsmen on Ebonyi State not terrorizing them mother. The people that owns that herdsmen don't want to see them as terrorist organization. But you people on Enugu, you prescribe your own brothers. You disown your own brothers publicly. Shame on all of you. Chineke gabuno okunu niile, including that one Snokan president. Nana hi okopem kembowa. Ona hi okopem. You know we no konye nso holy nweche. Okpo oponko. Onoro konye nso enyi ego buba. The hottest part of hellfire waits you. The hottest part of hellfire. The hottest part of hellfire waits you. But they are killing people, they are killing Christians. You are but last you want to go to heaven, owned by your grandfather. God will shock all of you at the last day. This is the basis of equality. Do you see the reason why they cannot even condemn their own brothers, not even on newspaper? They don't have a leader now, they're not a terrorist organization. They are just herdsmen and bandits. Till now, they don't believe that they are a terrorist organization. But see the busy assemble, not now condemn your own. You are disowning them. You are disowning them. When you disown them and when you don't disown them, one now wolf here. Those people you are disowning, are you not owing their mothers? Are you not banking their public funds abroad? Are you not training your children abroad with their money? The light you sitting obodo when kitiri, you are disowning them. We disown it is still the same thing because they have already disowned you. Governors, they have disowned you. They are not seeing people as their leader. That is the reason why somebody gets somewhere in the world. Nobody knows even the country he is. Yet he gets it at home. Everybody obey. Obey. That is who they are. That is, they believe that this man is their leader, not you people. Force, subjugation, you people control the media, forcefully, everybody will obey. Force, you must obey by force, you must obey by force. At the heart of every Igbo person, every Igbo blood, they know who their leader is. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, now where you draw. Do you understand? Vote, two people will win. Always Zoku Chineke. Forget about you bought media over. I condemn you, I disown you, I do you this. The people have already disowned you because Erura has school. Even you where they disown, no more getting abroad now got school. Even you where they disown, you cannot treat yourself in the zoo. Just like Bola Ahmed Tinubu is doing in France. So what is the essence of disowning now? Okay, we disown Haketa now. Or get mega short order an expensive hospital error. The free medical center, will you shut it down? Or get mega napohokin in her sofa. I don't understand. Or get most money in a block hoya, if I don't know or error. We love and we hate is the same thing. People should stop disgracing yourselves. I expect you people to know better. Up till now, allow greed, envy, jealousy. Jidu nasu nukapo, zukwani ike. Apart from Senator Enyi Naya Baribe, yeni na hu juru n'Enugu pregnant women. Ana kwacha kande wule miscarriage, owenke matter. The only thing that binds you people together, YPOB, shame on you people. Unu ga not together. proscribe or ban or disown IPOB. But we now got not together, we put one person with the president of Nigeria. You never know she hire, you hear me boku. You people can come together, proscribe your brothers, but come together, bring out one person as a presidential candidate. You people cannot do that. IPOB is the only thing that binds people together. Shame on all of you. Peter Obi, Anambra State, Moralo, the same place. Peter Obi na for vice president, Moralo na president. Why can't those two brothers come together and bring out one person? Typical example. Ihere me boku nunine ndara black people. Karatu nuneshi. You people stinks. You people are now together in Enugu. 2023 rule now. From somebody from Abia State can natural president. Somebody from Enugu can natural president. Somebody from Ebonyi can natural president. But you people are together. The only time you people come together when it comes to IPOB matter, una dey together prescribe. But when it comes to bring out one person that will be the president of that zoo, ununina bazet your tent. Chowazo nyoga uzi. All my party member. Ihere me buoku ununine. Ali bo gasu nodu. Munu. Ehunu nine ne kware kan deriri. Ne jidru munu na ata ha afofo because of power and politics. Ndembo na ndegede ndi ochi Igbo gasuru nodu sumu nodu. Ndara in disown her. Your fellow men cannot come out publicly disown their own brothers. That is the basis of equality. Their brothers are busy killing people in Southern Kaduna, killing people in Niger State, killing people in Borno, killing some soldiers in Borno as well. But they cannot come out and call them terrorist organization. They will never. Come on, like I said, they are just bandits. But see the busy now, one moment that you are disowning your people, I don't understand. If any of you dies today, that they couldn't get water that now, if Igbos truly love you people or they have disowned people long ago. I won't hear Potaro, Imanu media now, whatever you tell them is what they will say. Hebrew, the media, not bad. They disown this person, they disown that person. Unu leader, somebody gets it at home, everybody may obey. Only how could you know? Ground. The only place no ground on a media and newspaper or no ground. As long as Igbo is concerned, we no ground. That is the simple truth. You people should stop disgracing yourselves. Ban on all like as we no ground on a Igbo. Do you understand? Every Igbo person knows who they are, who knows who they love and who they believe to be their leader. Our own force. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is not paying anybody. He's not assembling anybody. Anyhow, Indomie. Go, come and vote for me. Come and subscribe to me. No. People gave him pure love. But they gave him pure love. That is the leader. So, on a wound, you will wound nine. Also, cause your subun nine. You are disowning your brothers. Yeah, they are this, they are that. Those same brothers you are disowning. If you in the hall of Rogabi. Like, you seriously believe in the hall of Roge? Ndije mahan and pahongo for close to 8 months. If you're in the hall of Roge, Ndije Gija Alonso Hagana, or will you bank abroad, na hotel, so na abroad. If you're in the hall of Roge, Ndiko city or consider me or when Kimberley. If you're in the hall of Roge, you seriously believe in the hall of Roge. Unumi which I don't know power, but no wa. Mark this video somewhere, mark this word somewhere, no wa. Ndembo and deg, then do Igbo. That's a room nod. Because you know, now moon get bully at last. Oh, moon get bully at last. Unu disown Omukorobia. Disowning you boon, dear, Ndara. Ndembo, Uno Waka discon Kun Alamu. Ndi believe. Ndo Igbo disown Kun. Ali Bunazo who disown Kun. Ndi believe more. We are disowning them. Ndara.